This is your mentor Stella. Say the following affirmations with me. I'm a smart teacher. I'm loved by my students. I make learning joyful and fun. I'm a source of motivation to my students. I handle my students with empathy and care. I possess the required teaching skills. I don't break under challenging situations. I progress as a teacher every day. I can guide and support my students well. I engage children to achieve learning. I'm good at planning and implementation. I execute plans very well to achieve outcomes. I'm efficient and effective in my work. I'm curious and creative. I build every child and nurture them. I don't let problems drain my energy. I'm positive always, and my positivity is contagious. I solve problems and not let them crush me. I can focus on my job, irrespective of what comes my way. I'm competent and talented. I'm resilient and strong. I balance different roles quite well. I multitask when necessary. I understand the needs of my learners. I can manage change effortlessly. I'm open-minded. I build positive relationships with my students. I'm thankful for everything I have. I'm a source of encouragement to my colleagues. I'm a lifelong learner. I believe in every child and encourage them to believe in themselves. I'm a role model to my students. I'm passionate about my work. I'm committed to make every child successful. I'm healthy in my mind, body, and spirit. I present quality lessons to my students. I prepare students to become independent thinkers. I respect the unique abilities of children. I'm patient to achieve the expected growth in me and others. I have the power to change the lives of children. I communicate clearly and effectively to my learners. I approach challenges with a growth mindset. I use the available time to learn and develop myself. I celebrate the success of learners. I play an important role in shaping the lives of children. I'm an inspirational teacher to my children. I make a significant contribution as a teacher. I maintain my composure. I create a conducive environment for learning. I influence the thinking of my learners. I'm flexible and use differentiated teaching practices. I have the ability to guide learners towards academic success. Say these every week and see the difference.